I'm going to deliver a speech on two articles that I found on the internet. The first one being about the plastic patch in the South Pacific Ocean. The great plastic patches in our world's oceans are created in gyres, which are ocean currents forming circles, which then capture all the plastic debris that is thrown into the ocean. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which was discovered in 2011 between Hawaii and California, is the newest and biggest one. Charles Moore, the creator of Algalita, a non-profit organization dedicated for researching plastic pollution in the ocean, headed on an expedition with his crew on November 2016. They had a fine net behind their sailboat, and they sailed through the entire patch in the South Pacific Ocean, and after that they captured every single smallest bit of plastic, and which could then be analyzed in the laboratories after the expedition. They estimated the patch to be span from around 1100 kilometers off the coast of Chile to 2600 kilometers west to Easter Island, and that makes the patch around 3 million square kilometers, which is bigger than the country of India. They also found out that there's more trash in the center, and in the south there was a lot of fishing equipment, such as fishing nets and other fishing lines and such. But most of the trash was microplastic, which is this kind of fog created of plastic pieces around 1 to 3 millimeters in length or diameter. Marcus Ericsson, who found the plastic patch in 2011, calls this plastic smog. And he also says that there's more trash now than in 2011 when he first discovered it. And he says that it could be due to increasing amounts of plastic or pollution levels going up and down over time. He also tells that plastic also eventually sinks to deeper currents after swirling around the gyres. So it travels around the world in the deeper currents underwater. So basically, if there's ocean currents near you in the oceans, there's bound to be plastic smog in it. The next article is about a new discovery which tells that the Milky Way houses around 100 million black holes. Daniel Holtz, a physicist at the University of Chicago in Illinois, tells that there's no reason to be concerned, though. For comparison, there's 1,000 times more stars, so we're safe from the black holes. Scientists from the University of California, Irvine, were trying to find out how many stellar mass black holes, which means black holes with masses beyond a normal star's mass, calculated from the size of the Milky Way how many black holes there are, and the results will be published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. As I said, they used the estimate for the size of the Milky Way to determine how many black holes there are in it. And based on the Milky Way's properties, around 100 million stellar mass black holes are found or located in the Milky Way. And there's about 90 million black holes less than 30 times the mass of the Sun, and about 10 million black holes with masses of 30 times that of the Sun or more. LIGO, which is Advanced Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, detected a huge collision in 2016 between two stellar mass black holes with around 30 times the mass of our Sun, and they thought that this was extraordinarily big, and some said they were created at the infancy of the universe, which this new evidence then now contradicts, since there's over 90 million black holes which are around the same size, so that contradicts that theory, and yeah, that's about it.